If we just gave you a siding quote and you're trying to figure out, does this actually make sense for me? Here's the good news. According to the 2025 cost versus value report for the Harrisburg area, fiber cement siding replacement recouped 85.5% of its cost at resale. Vinyl siding replacement came in at 65%. And manufactured stone veneer, which is usually more of an accent than a full house siding, came in at 168% cost recouped. So obviously the plan is simple. Cover your entire house in stone, sell it, retire on a private island. Okay, please don't do that. But here's the real point. If your siding is faded or cracked, loose, or just making the whole home feel tired, replacing it can be one of those upgrades that helps now for the looks and later for your wallet. You get to enjoy the curb appeal while you live there, and when it's time to sell the home, buyers are not walking up to the house and saying, cool, one more giant project for me to figure out. And this is also why the type of siding matters. Vinyl is usually the more budget-friendly option. It can clean up the outside of the home, reduce maintenance, and make a big visual difference without going straight to the top shelf. Fiber cement siding usually costs more upfront, but it has a heavier, more premium look. And in this local Harrisburg report, it showed a higher percentage of costs recouped as opposed to vinyl. So when we put together a siding quote, we're not just thinking, what color looks nice on a sample board? What we're thinking about is what makes sense for your home, for your budget, for your timeline, and for your long-term plans in your home. If your current siding is old, worn, or dragging down the look of the home, replacement can make a lot of sense. You get the curb appeal now, you get the protection, and according to this report, you may get a good chunk of that change back when you go to sell the home at a later date. That's exactly the conversation we're here to help you with.